begin the service of the air valve, remove the valve plate, remove the two-piece cup assembly and spring. Remove the retaining ring from each end. Use the piston to push the end caps out of the ends. Remove end cap O-rings. Remove override push pins. Remove override push pin O-rings. Repeat for second end cap. Slide out the piston. Remove the U-cup seals from each end. Apply quality lithium-based lubricant to the pre-assembled piston and U-cup seals. Install it in the housing. Make sure it moves freely in the housing. Lubricate and install new O-rings on end cap. Lubricate and install runaway reset button. Install the end cap into the housing with snap ring. Repeat for second end cap. Lubricate and install the detent assembly into the piston with the beveled center toward the detent cam. Lubricate and install the spring. Lubricate and install the cup O-ring on the cup body. Slowly bring the cup body together with the cup base. Take care not to pinch and damage the O-ring. Use a small round tool to push any protruding portions of the O-ring into the cup base cavity and form a proper seal. Align the small round magnet with the air inlet. Lubricate the cup assembly. Install the valve plate. Note the location of the alignment notch. Lightly tighten the screws to hold it in place. The air valve is now rebuilt and ready to install.